Welcome to Gayatri Yoga, my friends. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christina, and first of all, I would like to wish you a happy new year. I wish you all the best in the coming year. I wish all your wishes come true. Health, peace, harmony, balance in your heart. Stay true to yourself no matter what happens. I wish you to stay connected to your heart and connected to your true wishes. And today I would like to announce something special that I've never done before. Monday, January 11, we are starting a free 30-day yoga challenge. I hope you enjoy this series of classes that I prepared for you. We are working on our flexibility, mobility, improving our posture, improving balance, the function of our body. We'll be working on the fluidity of our spine a lot, trying to find freedom in our body, release chronic tension, chronic pains, and feel great in our skin, in our body, confident and ready to conquer the world. And I would like to combine this challenge with a giveaway. The channel is almost at 40,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful to each and every one of you practicing with me, sharing my classes with the friends. So I would like to give away 3 annual Gayatri Yoga memberships to my exclusive content. There will be 2 yoga mat prizes and 5 yoga straps that you can win just by following the link in the description under the video. Sign up for the challenge and you are automatically entered into a giveaway. And if you want to have more entries for the giveaway, just make sure to share your unique link on social media, with your friends, with your family members, through emails or through social media direct messaging, and everyone who signs up through a link will be associated with your account, and every person gives you extra 5 entries, and every social media share gives you extra entries, and this way you have more chances to win the annual membership or yoga mat or strap. I tried to make this series accessible to all levels. The classes are 25 to about 45 minutes long, and I think you should be able to feel comfortable practicing them daily, but I want you to remember that if it's too much for your body to practice daily, if you feel that you need a break, always listen to the body and take breaks as needed. If you need more than 30 days to finish the challenge, listen to the body, take longer than we are doing the challenge. Remember, it's your practice, your body, and we all have different things happening to us. Maybe you have some chronic pains in certain areas, or maybe injuries that are still healing, so you don't need to follow the ego and do it because Christina said so, or there's a challenge going on. Listen to the body, and during the classes, remember that you need to focus on the breath, you need to focus on the sensations. If the sensations are too high, then you need to back off, modify, take your child's pose, or maybe do half a class that day if you feel that you are feeling too much, that you are forcing yourself too much. So I just want you to focus on the safety first, on your breath and on the sensations, and you can just come back to this challenge over and over, and maybe the second time you do it, you will be able to go through the challenge without breaks. And even if you don't, remember, it's okay. I guess this is it for today. I hope you are happy as I am about this challenge. Just make sure to join the giveaway by following the link in the description under the video or in the first comment under the video. Use your unique link to invite your friends, family members, share on social medias if you have an ability to share a link on Instagram, share a link in your stories, share on Facebook, I don't know, TikTok, or anywhere else you can. It will be greatly appreciated. Until we meet again, namaste.